Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joe and Anna English Podcast. I'm Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here today.
Today, we're talking about something very common, something you use every day.
Yes, we're talking about daily transportation.
How do you move every day? To work, to school, to the market.
Bus, train, car, bike, or walking. Everyone uses transportation.
And that's why this topic is very useful for English learners.
You can talk about it with friends, with coworkers, even with strangers.
Simple English is enough. You don't need long sentences.
Yes, short and clear sentences work best.
Before we continue, if you enjoy learning English through calm, real conversations, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps the podcast grow, and it helps you practice English more often.
Now, let's get back to today's topic.
When we talk about daily transportation, we usually talk about routines.
Things we do again and again.
For example, I take the bus to work.
Or, I walk to school.
Very simple, very natural.
Transportation is also part of small talk.
Yes, people often ask, how do you get to work? Or, do you drive or take public transport?
These questions are easy and they help start conversations.
In this episode, we will practice talking about daily transportation.
Using easy words, real-life situations.
We'll talk about buses, traffic, taxis, and small problems.
And we'll keep everything slow and clear.
No pressure. No complicated grammar.
Just useful English you can use every day.
Think of this episode like a relaxed chat.
Friendly, comfortable.
By the end, talking about transportation in English will feel easier.
All right, let's move forward together. When people talk about their day, they often talk about how they move around.
Yes, because it happens every single day.
Morning routines usually sound similar.
Wake up, get ready, go somewhere.
And that go somewhere part matters.
That's where transportation comes in.
Some people use buses.
Some take trains.
Others drive or walk.
All of these are normal.
If you use a bus, you can say, I take the bus to work.
That sentence sounds very natural.
You can also say, I go to work by bus.
Both are used in real conversations.
People don't think about grammar, they think about meaning.
Exactly, and the meaning is clear.
If you use a train, the idea stays the same.
I take the train every morning.
Or, I go to school by train.
Simple sentences work best.
Some people don't use transport at all.
Yes, they walk.
I walk to work is a very common sentence.
It sounds calm and confident.
Sometimes people add time.
Not exact time, just a feeling.
It takes about 20 minutes.
Or, it takes a long time.
Words like about make English softer.
They also make you sound more natural.
People also talk about comfort.
Yes, how the trip feels.
I sit on the train, so it's relaxing.
Or, I stand on the bus, so it's tiring.
These sentences are honest.
And honesty sounds real in English.
You don't need stories.
Just small details.
Transportation is not a big topic.
But it connects to daily life.
That's why people understand it easily.
And that's why it's good for practice.
Of course, daily travel is not always easy.
Yes, things don't always go as planned.
Sometimes the bus comes late.
Sometimes it doesn't come at all.
And everyone understands that feeling.
Waiting, looking at the road, checking the time.
In English, people often talk about this.
Because it's a shared experience.
If cars are moving slowly, people say, I'm stuck in traffic.
That sentence is very common.
It doesn't sound like complaining.
It just explains the situation.
You might also hear, there was a lot of traffic today.
Yes, very natural.
When transport is late, you can say, my bus was late.
Or, the train was delayed.
Delayed means it started later than usual.
People use that word at work a lot.
I'm sorry I'm late. The train was delayed.
That sounds polite and normal.
Sometimes small mistakes happen too.
Like getting on the wrong bus.
Or missing your stop.
I missed my stop is a very useful sentence.
It happens to everyone.
Yes, no one feels embarrassed hearing that.
People also talk about weather in travel.
Rain can slow everything down.
It was raining, so traffic was bad.
That sentence explains everything.
Notice something important.
What is it?
All these sentences are calm.
They don't sound dramatic.
That's how real English sounds.
Simple and relaxed.
Even problems sound soft.
Because the goal is understanding.
Not perfect grammar.
Just clear meaning.
When you talk like this, people listen easily.
And conversations continue naturally.
When travel doesn't go smoothly, people often need help.
Yes, and English helps a lot in these moments.
Sometimes you don't know where to go.
Or which transport to take.
That's when simple questions are useful.
Very simple ones.
For example, how do I get to the station?
That question is clear and polite.
You can ask it almost anywhere.
At a bus stop, on the street, at work.
Another common question is this the right bus?
Yes, people ask that all the time.
If you are in a taxi, you might say, can you take me to the airport?
That sounds natural and respectful.
You don't need long sentences.
Just clear words.
Sometimes drivers ask questions too.
Like, where would you like to go?
You can answer simply.
Please take me to the city center.
Or, to the train station, please.
The word please makes it polite.
When you don't understand directions, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that?
That's a very helpful sentence.
It shows you are listening.
And people are usually happy to help.
Sometimes directions are short.
Go straight. Turn left. Turn right.
These words are easy to remember.
They are used everywhere.
If you feel unsure, you can say, am I going the right way?
That sounds careful and polite.
Notice how calm these sentences are.
They don't rush the conversation.
They keep things comfortable.
Even when you feel lost.
Asking for help is part of travel.
And part of real English.
You don't need confidence first.
Confidence grows while speaking.
Over time, people start to notice patterns in how they travel.
Yes, daily movement becomes a habit.
Some people enjoy quiet rides.
Others like busy streets.
That's why preferences matter.
You can talk about them in simple English.
For example, I prefer the bus.
That sentence is short and clear.
You can also explain why.
I prefer the bus because it's calm.
Or, I like walking because it helps me relax.
These sentences sound natural.
Sometimes preferences change.
Especially when life gets busy.
You might say, I usually take the subway, but today I walked.
That shows flexibility.
Daily transportation also comes with problems.
Yes, not everything goes as planned.
Buses can be late.
Trains can be crowded.
In those moments, simple phrases help.
Like, the bus was late today.
Or, the train was very crowded.
These sentences are honest and common.
You don't need strong emotions.
Just facts.
If something unexpected happens, you can say, I had a small problem.
That sounds calm.
You can also say, I made a mistake.
Like missing the bus or going the wrong way.
Mistakes are normal in travel.
And in English.
Another useful sentence is, I changed my plan.
That shows adjustment.
Daily transportation is not perfect.
But it teaches patience.
When you talk about preferences and problems, your English sounds real.
Not textbook English.
Just everyday language.
The kind people use all the time.
And that's how confidence grows. As we reach the end of this conversation, it's a good moment to slow down.
Yes, not to stop learning, but to notice what you've gained.
Today, we talked about daily transportation.
Simple situations from real life.
Now, let's gently review some useful words.
These words appear again and again in daily English.
First word is transportation.
It means how people move from one place to another.
For example, transportation is part of everyday life.
Next word is route.
A route is the way you go somewhere.
The bus route is long but quiet.
Another important word is crowded.
Crowded means many people in one place.
The train was crowded this morning.
We also used the word prefer.
Prefer means you like one thing more.
I prefer walking to work.
Next is late.
Late means after the planned time.
The bus was late today.
We talked about change too.
Change means doing something differently.
I changed my plan and walked home.
Another useful word is mistake.
A mistake is something done the wrong way.
I made a mistake and took the wrong bus.
And finally, comfortable.
Comfortable means relaxed and easy.
The seat was comfortable.
These words are simple.
But they help you explain real life clearly.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need clear meaning.
Speaking about daily life builds confidence.
Little by little, day by day.
Before we finish, here is one gentle practice.
Think about today.
How did you travel?
And how did it feel?
Write one short sentence in the comments.
Simple English is enough.
Thank you for staying with us until the end.
We're proud of your effort.
If this episode helped you, please like and subscribe.
Your support helps this learning space grow.
Keep listening
Keep speaking.
and keep trusting your English journey.